Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. So yeah, the market is still playing games, but we actually on sort of some resistance. And tomorrow is that day where we're going to have like FOMC. Things might change very quick, very aggressively, by the way. So yeah, you should understand that. So as you know, we're going to start with Bitcoin. So the market is actually seriously on some serious consolidation moves. But it's understandable, guys, because just imagine last week actually it was like earning season for some big companies, by the way. And this week it's going to be interest rates. On Friday it's going to be NFP. Seriously crazy. So yes, we're expecting some crazy moves. So what do we see here on Bitcoin? We can easily see that, you know what, the market actually is no longer under this bearish move. You can see that we had a bearish move here. So what's really happening here is actually the market was actually consolidating around this area. Then now we have a breakout. But for us to jump on the market, we need to understand what's really happening on the market. So you can see that actually here, the market was actually doing what? Consolidating from this area for quite some time. You can see the market was just consolidating. After that, we saw a breakout which happened like here. Then we can't just jump on the market here because we know that there is a sort of a resistant or a respected area. So we can even see that the market is also playing games around there. So our job is to do what? Above that area, we can say if the market is starting to go above this resistance, it's where we can take that buy or that position. Do you see that? But before that, yes, it might look like a nice bullish move because we already broke out, but we just need to relax. Because now whatever that we see here might be tempting, but there is a possibility for the market to do what? To sell off. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one. Let's see. We are on German 30 or DAX. What's really happening on German 30? Very nice structure. The market, yes, the market was on this bearish move. We broke out of that. We saw the market was trying to push the upside. By the way, I think even if tomorrow there is interest rates, I think the market can still push up. This is what I see, or this is what I'm expecting. So we did smash this one anyway here. So what do we see here is the market is creating some structures that we need to identify. So those structures we need to go maybe on a bit smaller time frame, like maybe let's say 1 hour, for us to see those structures. We can try maybe, because now the market is creating what? Actually a bullish move. You can see that. So even if maybe I remove this, or even if I don't remove, you can see that the market is creating something. And just because we just need to make our chart very clean, we can have something like this. And you can see around this area and around this area, it makes sense. We can connect that. You see? Once we connected that, you see the market pushed up, came down again, consolidated before pushing up. You see? So which means the market can start to do what? Create this type of moves. The market can, you see, the market was pushing something like that, doing something like this. Maybe it will push lower and continue doing something like that. Easy as that. Do you see that? I think it's quite straightforward. I think it's quite simple. So yeah, I think that's how it is. I think the market is actually on a very nice bullish move. I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep pushing up. So what I'm waiting for here is I'm waiting for the market to reach this area as a resistance, as a support area before we push the upside, or maybe around this zone. You see that zone? The market might come around that zone before pushing to the upside. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is gold. Gold. Okay. I was trying to show you. Actually, you can see that the market is being on this bearish move. So if we go closer there, the market is starting to get complicated. The market is starting to create this type of moves, going down, going up, going. Yes, we did smash it. I think it's day before, but now the market is creating these crazy moves where you sometimes you won't actually understand what's really happening. Let's go closer. You can see that actually around this area, yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. We have this area where the market is creating a sort of a resistance, but around this area we had something and the market respected that several times. But it seems like the market came there, broke out of that area, and now it's pushing up again. So we can now remove this and say, okay, we can just wait for the market to give us a certain structure, and then we can say maybe we see some sort of rejection around this area, maybe the market will be continuing like that. Why do we look for that? Because we are on a downtrend, so we have to look for sell positions only. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Now we are here on US oil. We are on US oil. So what's really happening on US oil is quite straightforward. The market is actually on a downtrend. Do you see that? The market is being actually downtrending for quite some time now, but still the market will also play a game just to mess things out for us. But at the end of the day, yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. I think I saw something. I don't know if that will connect. Yeah, I think I saw that. After the market breaks that, we can go all in and say, you know what, let's ready. We can say oil, it's leaking or it's bleeding. Because I think the market will be trying to give us some stronger sell. So what we see here is, yes, we are actually on a resistant area, and it seems like the market is going towards that. So we will be ready actually to do what? To take a sell after the market bounces back from that area. If not, we will then do what? We will wait for the market to break this area. Then we can say it's time for us to say, let the market push to the upside. So yes, I'm expecting the market to still sell, to keep selling. I mean, to respect that area. If not, maybe we will see a breakout. But if that is not happening, we will just wait, because it means the market maybe will be consolidating. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. Let me remove this. I think the market already passed that stage. Your chart should be clean, guys. Your chart should be like way too clean, so that you don't just get confused with your own lines. So this is what we have currently. This is what we have currently. Do you see that? So what we see here is the market actually, you can see that the market actually respected this several times, and we're expecting the market to do something like that, to sell or maybe to break and push the upside. Do you see that? This is the strongest sell. I mean, the strongest trend that we had. Yes, we also had a downtrend around that area, but this one is the outer one, so which means it's very strong. If the market breaks out of that area, we will be expecting the market to do what? To keep actually buying. If not, we will see maybe the market actually respecting that area. So what I'm expecting now is, since tomorrow there's news, I think the market will just consolidate. You see, I sent this order yesterday, and the market actually did not touch that. The market has been consolidating. The market has been playing around this area. You see, so which means the market is actually going to play around this area, maybe up to tomorrow. Then before we see a sell or maybe a very nice breakout, then we can say maybe it's time for us to do what? To buy. Do you see that? Do you see that? I hope you see that. So that's what I think. The market might actually break out, but it seems like the market is hesitating to break this area. Maybe the market will respect this area and sell as we are on a resistance, or maybe the market will break this area and we can start to think about buying. But we will just wait for interest rates. We don't really have to guess. Plus, we have the structure, so it means actually we have everything that we want. So now on NASDAQ, we are on NASDAQ. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So we are on Bitcoin. You can see that Bitcoin is actually on a down trend. The market is actually going down. The market is actually going down, right? So what I see here is, you see that actually the market is quite similar to what we saw or actually on US30. The market is actually on a resistance. The market just reached our resistance area, you see. And we have two of them. We have this horizontal one and this diagonal one. And now, since yesterday, by the way, we sent a signal here. We had a small profit. Now the market is going down. And still, it did not actually touch our stop loss. You can see that the market actually, yes, it might seem like maybe it was moving, but that is not actually a bigger or something crazy. It's not actually a bigger move, you see. So what's really happening is, yes, we have a resistance here on top here. So if the market breaks that, we will be expecting to buy or to continue buying after the breakout. But for now, the market is still respecting that. So which means we just have to wait and expect sell opportunities. If those sell opportunities they don't really happen, it means we will see a breakout. So please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. You know what to do. If you want the robot 250 lifetime, you also get the robot Prime EA. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.